Crocodile Lou was scaly and green, with rows of sharp teeth that made her look mean. Whenever she smiled, all the animals hid. "You look a bit scary," said a monkey called Sid. What a to-do! She was really quite nice, but the sight of her teeth would frighten the mice. She even scared Lion, who was usually brave. And the bear was so worried, he stayed in his cave. Poor Lou was sad, but what could she do? She went for a walk and met a gnu. Politely, she smiled. The gnu just stared. His knees started knocking, and he begged to be spared. A few moments later, during her walk, she met a green parrot who enjoyed a good talk. But one smile from Lou made his feathers drop out. He was ever so frightened. Of that, there's no doubt. Next, she met Snake beneath a big tree. She stopped for a chat. He was drinking some tea. She asked him politely, "Please, may I join you?" He said, "But of course. Is it one lump or two?" They talked for a while and ate strawberry cake. She told him her name. He said, "My name is Jake." She couldn't believe it. He didn't seem scared. They carried on chatting. Some cookies were shared. After they talked for an hour or two, Jake showed her his card, saying, "This is for you." "Oh, what is this?" said Lou in surprise. And then when she read it, tears welled in her eyes. "Can it be true?" said Lou to the snake. "You're in motion pictures." "It's not a mistake?" "Indeed it is true," answered young Jake. "And a star of you I will certainly make." A movie was made in a week and a bit. It featured a thing whose name was just It. Lou played this thing, which came from beneath. It crushed little cars and chomped its big teeth. Animals traveled from far and near. They all stood in line from here to here. The film, although scary, was a massive big hit. And when Lou chomped her teeth, it was their favorite bit. Lou's name was in lights. Snake had made her a star. She bought a large house and a big shiny car. Autographs were signed, fan letters were read, and every day Lou took her breakfast in bed. She's making a new film, part 2 of part 1. It's called Son of It. It's really quite fun. And when she comes home, she bathes in warm milk, then flops into bed onto pillows of silk. So Crocodile Lou, all scaly and green, is now a big star of the silvery screen. Now when she smiles, all the animals cheer. She's loved by them all. She's the It of the year.